So today I'm going to show you a powerful iron-rich smoothie made from spinach, strawberries, bananas, chia seeds, and lemon. And I'll explain exactly how it helps your body absorb iron better. So spinach in this smoothie is iron-based, and that's what we want to get today, iron. So we start with about half packed or 1 packed cup of fresh spinach. That's roughly 4 to 5 tablespoons. And so spinach provides plant-based iron, magnesium, and beta-carotene. But it also contains natural compounds called oxalates that can reduce iron absorption. And so we must pair it correctly with vitamin C. That's why we have strawberries. And so strawberries act as a vitamin C booster. So next we add half a cup of strawberries. That is 6 to 8 berries. So strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which is one of the most important nutrients for increasing iron absorption from plant foods. Vitamin C helps convert iron into a form that your body, my body, can absorb more easily. 1 medium banana adds natural sweetness and creaminess, about 6 to 8 tablespoons when sliced. And so banana provides potassium, which is very crucial here, vitamin B6, natural carbohydrates for energy. We do need energy, especially in the morning. They don't add much iron, but they make the smoothie satisfying actually and balanced. From there we add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This provides iron, omega-3 fats, protein, and fiber. Chia seeds do contain phytates that can bind to minerals, but soaking it, as I've soaked here, helps improve digestibility. So I recommend soaking between 20 minutes before blending. Finally, we add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice because its vitamin C and citric acid significantly increase iron absorption from foods, from plant foods, especially the plant foods that have phytates. So that will make it more absorbable. And finally, add half to 1 cup of water or plant-based milk if you have, and blend everything until smooth. And that's how we get our smoothie for breakfast. Our breakfast smoothie is now ready to consume.